Hey guys, I was just doing my dishes and I could hear out the window the birds and the insects and everything. And it occurred to me that you don't hear this in the desert. I mean, you do, but not this. So I thought I would share because it's really pretty. Okay, hope you can hear it. I don't know. That could put me to sleep. Maybe I should like put a net outside and like a hammock or something. Anyway, I just wanted to share with you guys. I love you. I am always thinking about you guys and wishing you were here. So you should come visit so you can be here and hear this. Okay, I love you. Good night.